So, welcome students. So, in this question you are asked to find the summation of the sequence as n tends to infinity. So, what you are asked to find is limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus root n plus 1 by 2 plus root 2n plus so on plus 1 by n plus root n square. So, by the look of it, you can see that there is a question based on definite integration as a limit of sum, and definite integration as a limit of sum. So, in this topic, you have formula which is integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma 1 to n f of r by n. So, if you have limit n tends to infinity and you have a summation 1 by n sigma 1 to n f of r by n, that can be written as integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx. So, you have derived this in your topic of definite integration. So, now let us use this. So, to use this formula, first what you need to do is you have to try to write this in sigma notation, that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. This is nothing but sigma of 1 by, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, that is r plus, this is root n, root 2n, root 3n up to root n into n, this is root of rn, r going from 1 to n. So, this is a sigma notation. So, once you write the sigma notation, what you need to do is you need to take 1n as common in the denominator. So, you have to have 1 by n outside, then only you can apply this formula. So, let us bring n outside, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into sigma r is equal to 1 to n 1 by. So, if you take n as common, you get r by n, plus if you take 1 n as common, you get root of r by n. So, now you can see that you have 1 by n, limit r is equal to 1 to n, this is a function of r by n. So, this can be written as integration from 0 to 1. So, within the summation, wherever you have r by n, just need to put x. So, 1 by x plus root x dx. So, now this limits question has become a question of integration. So, integration from 0 to 1, 1 by x plus root x, this is what you need to integrate. So, how do we do this? So, how can we do this? So, integration from 0 to 1 by, you can apply your knowledge of integration. Root x into 1 plus root x dx. So, I can put root x or 1 plus root x is equal to t. So, 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. So, dx by root x will become 2 dt, that is equal to integration of. So, what happens to the limits? So, x limits are 0 to 1. So, the limits of t will become 1 plus 0 to 1 plus 1, that is 1 to 2, 2 dt by t. This becomes 2 dt by t, that is equal to 2 ln t from 1 to 2, that is equal to 2 ln 2. ln 1 is 0. So, the answer is 2 ln 2. Option D is the right answer to this question. Thank you.